To resolve the "Please check your entries and try again" login error, try opening a private browsing tab to eliminate any stored cookies and cached data. Then navigate to the website and attempt to log in. If the issue persists, use the forgotten password method by entering your email address and clicking on the "Forgotten Password" option. This will prompt the website to send you a verification code, which you can use to reset your password. Once you've reset your password, return to the login page and try logging in again. In most cases, this should resolve the error and allow you to access your account. If the issue remains, contact customer support directly by searching for the Help Center in your browser, scrolling down to the bottom of the page, and clicking on the Contact option. From there, select Password and Account Access, and then Login Problem, and follow the prompts to reach the contact page. Click on the Messages option and choose to chat while logged out. As you're experiencing login issues, a support agent will assist you, and you can explain your problem by typing a message, such as "I'm having trouble logging in due to the please check your entries and try again error, and I hope you can help me." Be prepared to provide your email address associated with the account, and answer any security questions the agent may ask, such as your address or date of birth, in order to verify your identity and resolve the issue.